we have a new vehicle surveillance kit, CVSK100 Zebronics. This is for vehicle security and basically for our driver safety, 360-degree camera view. So we are unboxing this. So here you find a user manual, and QR code is also given for the user manual. So we have cameras here. So in this kit there are 4 cameras altogether. Yeah, with all the metal body for outdoor purpose. DVR, and this DVR is having built-in screen DVR. It supports 256 GB SD card recording, and it supports media player also for driver entertainment. All required accessories, connectors. Also, we do have cable here. So cable, we have all four different cables. So one is 15-meter length, and this is extendable. And then we have 3 different cable with connectors for 5 meters. So this is ready to install kit, vehicle surveillance.